All right, so here is another outfit that was high on our outfit report on Pinterest. I really like this. This was definitely a part of the, y'all see my little filter thing? Come on now. But this was definitely high on the wedding season in the month of October. It still is kind of at the bottom. I want to say this was like number four or the fifth one, but it's still hanging on there. I can see this working, but it's definitely gonna fade out because it's sleeveless and the material looks very, very thin. But anyway, the summary of this outfit, how would I list? I would give it a nice little feminine touch. It's like a nice summer feminine touch or special occasion in a feminine touch to it is what I would summarize this. It's very dainty. It has the peplum type of feel as well as at the bottom of the skirts. I love a good set. You can never go wrong with this set. And it's just not much. The outfit just really speaks for itself if you are a woman that really appreciates details, quality details, because there can be some noisy details, but this one is just quality. It's placed right. So why does this work? As I mentioned, October is the month of a lot of weddings, and people are looking for ideas or just concepts or just what to wear. So this really fits. Well, I don't want to say it really fits because the color of this is white. And you really, some people don't want to clash with the bride. So wearing white, I don't know, girl. But some people will definitely push the envelope and definitely try it. So anyway, and also some people take their vacations in October. Little did I know, I thought I was the only one that used to do that because I don't have any kids, but some people definitely take their vacations out of the country and they get, so this was a nice little idea to wear. If I was going to the islands or something like that, this would be a nice little get up. Now, would you wear this for work or personal? It depends on what you do for work. If you are an attorney, you need to go to court, this is a no. But personally, this is a big one for personally. Whatever you're doing in your personal life, this is like, yes. Date nights, girls' night outs. If you are just want to be out, you want to be cute, this is like a big yes. This is a yes. Now, my styling notes. Depending on what type of girl you are, I honestly would add a necklace or some earrings. There are a number of women who do not like wearing like dangly earrings or whatever the case may be, but I would do something up here to kind of just, it's like a void kind of missing. There's like a hole missing. But yeah, depending on what type of girl you are, I would do a necklace, not like a big clunky necklace, just something like a brass, necklace or something, not like a big, it's a lot going on. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I would do. So checking out the analytics for this outfit. See, this one's a little bit higher. So as I mentioned before, this one was very, very notable in the earlier months, which was October. A lot of people were inspired by this. As you can see, these numbers, these analytics were definitely different compared to the other outfits that we did just go over, because those outfits was posted later and now they're starting to get traction at the ends of October. All right, but nobody added this to the board, but they did have some other engagements. All right, so let's go on to the next selections.